folks, welcome to Testing Hacks. Today we will discuss about the 6 most common reasons for the cause of bug or defects in the system. And it is one of the most important question as well from interview perspective. Before we begin, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates. Let's begin. And the first reason is human factor. It is because human beings develop the software. Human beings are not perfect. They're prone to make the mistakes. As a human being develop the software, it is not really a good idea to expect the software to be perfect and without any defects in it. Hence, this is one of the major cause of errors in the software. And the second one is communication failure. Another common reason for the rise of software defects can be miscommunication, lack of communication, or erroneous communication during the software development. The common failure can happen at different levels, like either requirement gathering stage and requirement interpretation stage. In case, imagine a case where the requirements are incomplete. This could lead to the situation where the programmers would have to deal with the problems that are not clearly understood. Thus, it may lead to the error. And imagine another scenario where the problem of communication may occur, where the programmer tries to modify the code which is developed by another programmer. This also may lead to the defect. And the third one is poor design logic. In this era of complex software system development, sometimes the software is complicated that it requires some level of R&D and brainstorming to reach a reliable solution. Lack of patience and an urge to complete it as quickly as possible may lead to the errors. Finding the easiest way to complete the solution, lack of proper understanding of the technical feasibility before designing the architecture, these all invites the error. Poor coding practices. Sometimes errors are slipped into the code due to simply bad coding. Bad coding practices such as inefficient or missing error or exception handling, lack of proper validation may lead to the introduction of errors in the code. In addition to this, some programmers might be working with poor tools, faulty compilers, debuggers, profilers, validators, etc., making it almost inevitable to invite errors and making it too difficult to debug them. Lack of skilled testing. Poor testing do take place across the organizations. There can be a shortcomings in the testing process that are followed. Lack of seriousness of testing, scarcity of skilled testing, testing activity conducted without much importance given to it, etc. continues, okay, to remain major threats to the craft of software testing. Poor testing do leave the software in a buggy state. Last minute changes. Changes that are made to the requirement, infrastructure, tools, platform can be dangerous, especially if are being made at the last hours of the project release. Actions like database migration, making your software compatible across a variety of OS or browsers, can be complex things, and if it is done in a hurry due to the last minute change in the requirement may cause the errors in the application. These kind of late changes may result in last minute code changes which are likely to introduce the errors. So these are the 6 majorly cause for the arise of defects. If you have faced any other errors apart from this in any other ways, okay, just do comment it out in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.